In this video lesson, I will explain to you, is Forex trading gambling or is trading a pure luck? Well, the gambling, it's not. Is it pure luck? Also not. But if you are watching the trading on the Forex as a gambling, sometimes it can be, but it depends on the viewer. How do you look on that? I will explain to you what is Forex trading, so you can also decide on your own. Is it pure luck, or is it gambling, or is it some kind of technical knowledge that you can learn and you can also practice to make money? Let's start. It is the best to show you on the example, so it will be much easier to understand how this works. I have decided to open the chart. This is the chart. It is gold against US dollar. These are two currencies, one against each other, which means current the price is on the right side. We can see it is 2298.55 is the current price. And I have this on 1 minute time frame. What does that mean? A 1 minute time frame, that means that this candle here represents 1 minute. And also this one you can currently see here, it's not formed, but after 1 minute passes, it will be formed like this as a white candle. A white candle, that means when these minutes have started, this is the end. This means the prices rise in value. The black candle means this is the price where the candle has opened, and after 1 minute the price has dropped down. So this means the white candles represents when the price is moving up, and the black candles represents that the prices was moving down. This body represents the open and close price, and these lines, which are called wicks, represents what is the highest price level and what is the minimum price level during that 1 minute. Let's start. So in trading on the Forex, your goal is to define where the price will go. Will it go up or will it go down? So you have 50% chance to define the correct movement. Is that gambling? Is that gambling? Yes, it is gambling if you are simply defining where the price will go. Will it go up or will it go down? So 50% you have a chance to be lucky or to be on the opposite side with a loss. Now, why it's not gambling? Because there are certain tools that you can use, and I will switch to 1 minute time frame, which means these candles here are represents 1 hour instead of 1 minute. Now let's take a look. I will increase this one here so we can see much more clearly what is. Now, where the price will go from the current market price. So will the price go up or will it go down? There are certain tools that you can use, and those tools are called this horizontal line. You can see that here, and those lines are here. You can see them as a dotted line or a full line, but they represent also a place where the price stops or reverses bounces. So you can see here, when the price was going down, it has passed through all these horizontal lines, but it has stopped at this one. When the price was returning back up, it has stopped at this next one. After the price has gone above this line, it has stopped on the next one. So when the price goes up, it reaches this area. Sometimes it bounces back up, but sometimes it goes down. It goes through this line. So you can see how the price behaves during the time. So maybe this one will be much easier it will be much more clear as a chart. Here it is a 4-hour time frame, which means each candle represents 4 hours. So you can see here, when the price was going through this line, the price stops here, bounces and reaches the second one, goes through it and reaches this one. So you can see how the price respects these lines. So this is some kind of a tool that helps you to define where the price will go. Now in this example, where you can see after the price has gone through this line, I was expecting that the price will go down, but the price has reversed back up, and currently it is moving sideways. It's not finding any strength, but eventually the price will reach this area or this area. Which one it will reach, it is also 50% of a chance. How to define? Now after I have defined where the price could go in the future, this is also one of the tools and the targets that I can follow. Instead being blind, for example, like in this example, where you do not have any kind of lines except this one, where the price could go in the future. Let's return to the 4-hour time frame. The second tool that you can use is to define it is a strategy, and that means if you have already watched in the past how the price behaves, you will see there are certain rules that the price is following. And for example, In my case, I follow this rule. When the price goes below or above these lines, it tends to move in that direction. And this means if the price goes below this line, which has created right now, it tends to move in the same direction into the next one. And that one is here, that line. If the price goes up, let's say in this example here, if the price goes here, the price tends to reach this area. When the price goes down below this line, it tends to move to the next line. We can see how this moves. When the price goes below this line, it tends to move to the next line. In this example here, you can see that here. So this is the second rule, and also the second tool I am using in trading. So this increases my chance. Instead of 50% will the price go up or go down, I have more chances to predict where the price will go. So in my case, the price has gone below this one, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more, and also I have a target where the price will reach. So this increases more than 50% is a chance to reach this area. So if you check this one, this movement, how the price has behaved in the past, you can also make some kind of a statistic to see how many times the price has behaved based on these two rules I have using. Does the price respect this line? And does the price move in the direction of this movement after the price goes down below this line or go up when the price goes above this line? So this is not gambling. It's not complete gambling if you are using some kind of a tools. You are helping yourself with the technical tools which are available on trading. There are some indicators you can use that, for example, here that you can use to help you. For example, let's MACD, for example, we can take that will help you to define where is the next movement. For example, you can use these to help you to define where the price will move in the future. But to use the indicators, you also need to make some kind of statistics. Check in the past how these indicators have behaved. Do they show you the correct information where the price will move? And if they show you correctly, you can base your trading decisions on them. It depends on you. Just a minute. Indicators, delete this one. So is it pure luck? Well, what I have just explained to you, it's not pure luck. So it's not gambling, it's not pure luck, so you can make money. You can make money, but in order to make money, you need to have a proper strategy with certain rules that you need to follow, and you need to have statistics that show you that in the long run, you will be profitable. Do not make decisions based on 2 or 3 trades. If you take 10 trades, make the statistics. For example, you can be 7 times in loss, but 3 profitable. But if you have a proper risk management, and that means if you have a risk-reward ratio, if you risk $10 in loss compared to $10 in, for example, $3 in loss, for example, and $10 in profit, that means one against almost 3. That is the risk-reward ratio 1 against 3. You are losing $3 in order to earn $7. Proper 1 against 3 would be $1 in $3 in loss and $9 in profit. So if you have a proper strategy, proper risk management, you're not gambling, it's not pure luck, but you are using technical tools and the analysis and the strategy with a certain rules in order to trade. So it's not gambling, but it is a real job where you can make money, but also be responsible and have a proper risk management. I hope this has explained that trading on the Forex is not gambling and it's not pure luck, but it can be if you are completely using no technical tools, no strategy, simply defining where the price will go up, like flipping a coin, so you have a 50% of a chance, like going into a casino where you put on black or red, so you wait, the roulette gets you the correct color. This is not the pure gambling, this is not the pure luck, it is job that many financial traders are making and working the whole day, each day during the week. So it is a job that some people are doing. So if you would like to test this one, Try first on the demo account. You can see that here I have $8,205. It is a demo account. You can see that here also. It is a demo account with IC Markets, a broker. You can open simply demo account, which will be free. It's not, you don't have any cost. You will not lose anything if you lose all 8,000, like in my example, because you can reset and start again and start learning. If you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.